Hello, my name is Munish and this is my LifePage. Today I'm going to talk about emerging technologies. But before I talk, let me talk something about myself. When I was a kid, I was very fascinated with technology. From my childhood, I started experimenting with things, and that triggers me to take education in technology. I studied Bachelor of Technology, and then post that, I spent my career with various information technology companies in India and across the globe. But emerging tech, there are a lot of buzzwords happening in the industry. We talk about artificial intelligence, we talk about computer vision, we talk about big data, we talk about IoT, AR, VR, all these things are floating around and we get confused on what these are. All these things are termed as emerging technologies, which are new technologies emerging as we grow as humans to assist ourselves in easing the stuff that we do. So, if you are interested, like me, to understand and work in the field of emerging technologies, first of all, everything in emerging tech and most of the things are using computers. So, you have to learn computers. Not very advanced, but at least the basic of computers you should know before you start learning emerging tech. If you can imagine something, if you can think of a thing which is futuristic and new, then you are the best candidate for doing emerging tech. Because emerging tech gives answer to things which were not possible before. The thing you get out of it is you are building the future. And when you build the future, your future is safe. So, everything that you have will have a career span which starts from today and goes to a very far extent. Because legacy things are getting older and then obsolete as well. So when I started back in time, in 2012 and 13, I started talking about emerging tech to people. And right now, still it's a better scenario, but at that time, people were not able to understand what these technologies are. They were seeing it as fancy stuff, but not really useful. And to make people understand that this stuff is useful and this will be the future is a very difficult job. I start my day at around 6:30. I have to send my son to school. After that, I get ready for my office. I reach office and then I have to start syncing up with my team. And every day we sync up, we have a new challenge and new problem to solve. It's not something which is very free flowing. Every day we talk about solutions to the problem statements I gave to my developers yesterday. And then they're not able to find the solution because there's no solution available immediately. We stand on the board, we draw the problem, we go in details, understand how that can be solved and create a solution for it. And this is our daily practice. We go every day on board, create solutions and then try it out. End of the day, we look at either a solution coming out or a new problem emerging, and then that becomes a trigger for starting the next day. I hope I have given you enough information about emerging technology, and if you are getting into emerging technology, I'll say welcome to the jungle, and it will be a very interesting journey, and it is something that will create an impact. Thank you so much for being with me, and I wish you good luck.